In this video, I'm diving into my experience with the Holystone HS600 drone. The best part? I'll reveal both the highs and the lows, so you know exactly what to expect before you take off. Hey there, drone enthusiasts! I'm your host, and today we're exploring the ins and outs of the Holystone HS600. If you're curious about its performance and whether it's the right drone for you, stick around. First up, let's talk about the return to home feature. This drone impressed me with its precision. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, you'll appreciate the smooth takeoffs and landings. It's like having a reliable co-pilot by your side. Next, let's dive into the photography capabilities. Equipped with a Sony camera, the HS600 delivers reasonable photo quality. I loved how it confirmed the completion of each capture, making it easy to focus on getting the perfect shot. However, not everything was smooth sailing. When flying forward, I noticed the drone losing altitude, dropping to a nerve-wracking 42 meters. It was a constant battle to maintain height, especially when flying at a distance. It's like trying to keep a kite steady in a gusty wind. Another hiccup was the screen responsiveness. The drone's topography indicated a change in direction, but the camera view remained frozen. Imagine trying to navigate with a map that doesn't update in real time. Frustrating, right? So, those are my thoughts on the Holystone HS600. If you've experienced similar challenges or have any tips, drop a comment below. And if you're finding these insights helpful, consider smashing that subscribe button and ringing the bell for more drone reviews and tips every week. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!